If you're South African and you're drowning in debt, you need to stop scrolling. You're not tired of declined loans, calls from creditors? We get it. Here at CDM, we help thousands of people rebuild their freedom and get their names cleared.
Hi, goeiedag sê mense. Ek wil net vir julle sê dat ek was in skuld gewees en toe het CDM se mense vir my baie goed uitgehelp en hulle services is baie goed. En ek wil net vir julle sê julle moet try vat saam met hulle van hulle is regtig baie goeie mense. Baie dankie.
Yeah, I'm happy. Take us, but I'm happy for the service. So I'm happy.
Okay, so I'm Rishka, okay, and I've been under debt review for about 6 years, going for 7. I have now finally been cleared from debt review, okay, so I'm no longer in prison, been under debt. I now have financial freedom. Feels like heaven. Thank you so much for that, guys. And yeah.
If that sounds like you, make sure to drop your number so we can get you sorted.